What is APOB AI and what's it for? Well, as you can see on screen, I'm in the APOB AI app. It's an AI-powered character or influencer creator. What does this mean? With this program, we can create our own AI-generated character, a person with a specific face. This AI lets us use that face for various poses, taking many photos with it, making it seem like a real person. This opens doors to, for example, creating an Instagram influencer, as you've seen lately, made with AI, not real people. They post as if they were, but aren't. It has pros and cons, obviously, but that's basically what this app is and what it's used for. How does APOB AI work? Well, as you can see, this is the APOB AI interface. Let's go through its sections and how it functions, okay? First, we have this entry section with many models I've created in the community. You can view and even use these different models if you'd like. As you see, we can use these models here, and up top are the ones you've made. For example, I made this one. If you want to learn how, there's a video tutorial on the channel. Now, if we open any of these and click on model, we can use it. These are all the options for any model we make, whether it's our own model that we input to generate images, or if we create a model using AI, got it? You can use all these options in both ways. First, we have video options, okay? And image options. Also, you can create a voice for voiceless models. You have many options like generating videos with a character's face, talking avatars, image to video, or specific model and pose videos. Video face swap for specific poses with someone's face. Then you have image options in the complete set. We explain all these options in a video. Basically, you have build image for certain models like manga style pixels, considering your created avatar. A complete set in a specific area and style, okay? As you can see, cybercasting, winter, and so on. Expert mode lets you input your specific prompt and a negative prompt to exclude unwanted elements, placing the character in that exact set. Image face swap allows you to change and swap faces in a specific image. You upload an image and it puts your model's face into that picture. And finally, there's an image editor. These are all the options available within any model. And outside the model, you have credits, the community section I mentioned, and a recent tab showing what you've done lately, like what I've shown here. Lastly, your profile shows your daily credit allowance and remaining balance, so that covers the program's features and what you can do with it. Let's see how we can create our first virtual influencer in APOB AI. As you can see, we have two options to generate our models. First, use and upload a model as a reference image, or create one with AI using this program's features to design a model with all the characteristics you want. We'll look at the second option because it's simpler and you don't need a high quality photo, since obviously the quality will be noticeable if it's a bad image, so this way you'll avoid problems. But if you want to be the models yourself, you can, though it's worth noting that you can do face swap in the program later, so don't worry too much about this. Let's create the model. First, as you can see, we'll need to choose the gender, male, female, or even cephalopod. Anything goes. Let's choose the age for this person. I'll set it to 25 and select their origin for characteristic features. Oh, and before that, I'll set the gender to male in my case. As you can see, there are many options. There's a long list of countries to choose from, so don't worry about options. I've chosen my country, Spain. Next, we'll select the type of eyes we want. I want to make something super weird, so let's try violet eyes. Next is hairstyle. We'll go with a simple box fade. What hair color should we choose? Each section has many options, as you can see. How about face shape? Diamond, oval, or rectangle? It depends on the specific look we want. Finally, we have three options: dimples, beard, and whether we want the image tanned or not. Let's generate it, which will use 10 credits. As you can see, it's already made the first generation. If we want changes, we could generate more images to see if we like any better. Let's select this image as reference and give the model a name and maybe a description. Lastly, we choose public or private. But as you see, the private option is for subscribers only. We'll click create your image model now, and voila, our first image model is created. Now comes the most interesting part. Now that we've created our first model, we can do everything from creating voices to generating images or videos in various poses, to create your influencer or character. As you can see, we have tons of options, from generating a video directly with the model, including audio, to working with your images. Let's try out the image part. We have different modes to create images. First, we can make your image, and we have various sections here. Within each section, there's a way to create images from this model. Based on this, we can make a QT version, work with pixels, and do a bit of everything. We also have a complete set for specific locations, outfits, and more. As you can see, there are plenty of options to explore. Then there's an expert mode that lets us write a specific prompt and negative prompt to create a tailored image with the character we want to use. We also have image face swap, which we've covered in a video on our channel. To save time, let's go to the complete set and try one of these options. For example, let's try a photo in Cairo. We can choose high or best quality, which affects the credits used. Let's try high quality first to see if it's good enough or if best is worth it. When we generate, it starts and gives us 4 images. This gives us a variety of images to choose from. As you can see, they've generated each image and it's identical to the model we created here. It's the same person in different scenarios, and the quality is really impressive. Even though it's just high quality, not best, the results are excellent, as you can see. The quality is great with a watermark for non-pro users, but the output is still incredible. So you've got some options there that don't really make sense.